Well, here's the key man.
Good Lyke, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard. Now we're at Boddam Aberdeenshire and I'm going out with a good friend here, Phil, in his boat, and we're launching it at Boddam here doing a slip. We actually should have him in the water just now, but I look at myself out of my car, so I'm waiting on our locksmith to come and hopefully he can get me into my car, because all my stuff's in the car, all my rods and my piece and my bits and pieces. So fingers crossed he can open up the car for me, but we've had to wait for an hour. He won't be here for about an hour, so I got to sort the wife's wee car just to come down and help Phil with the booty. Now the slip charge is £5 per launch, and you have to pay it in shed number 10. That's Phil, how are around the shed number 10 to put these £5 in. So that's us sorted. Now Boddam Harbour is my home port. For a start we're going to try for a bass, or maybe a sea trout, or maybe a mullet if a mullet shows up. But I would love to catch a mullet because never caught them before and they're really hard to catch. So hopefully a mullet will show up and failing out, then I get any bass, sea trout or anything, we'll nip out and try a couple of bitties to see if we can get a cod. So fingers crossed.
Keep my eye on those metal things. I think you're alright.
Oh, you're alright.
We do it controlled with the wind sheet.
Oh.
Stand a better chance, don't you? I think we're getting there, yeah.
Okay. Great stuff. And we're off! Finally! So I got the locksmith out and he managed to get it in my car. No bother. I'll put a link up to his business later on in the video. now we can enjoy our day.
Savage gear up.
Oh, right, that's us being at the boss. We're planning to hunker here. So I'm usually fishing on the shore, just to the east of that, for the water's flowing out. And that's where I usually fish for the boss. But it's nice to get out in Phil's boat. Beautiful day like this. And hopefully we'll get the boss out here, fingers crossed. Never go out expecting to get fish when you go fishing. That's why it's called fishing, it's just fishing. Make gotcha. If you get a fish, it's a bonus.
Touch. Yes.
Yay! Well done, Phil.
Sea trout.
Oh, it's a sea trout. Great stuff.
Come on, come on, come on. Steady, steady. Calm down, sea trout.
Well done, Phil.
My second sea trout and the first one on real time. Let's get it back.
So what are you using, Phil?
It's called a Savage Gear line through.
A spinner, like?
Yeah. That's this one. Just like that.
Okay, I'm going to put a spinner now.
That was caught on my Savage Gear line through, which was catching the bass when I was down in Cornwall. So I put that on, she's got it back out again.
I seen a fish going up towards my lure.
Yeah.
Aye.
They're here, mate.
Aye.
They're here.
Aye, they just zoomed up like that and turned away.
Yeah.
That's great, that bombard, that doesn't it, Tangle?
Yeah.
That's another one.
Oh, it's off.
They seem to be closer to the boat.
They do, don't they? I think they're just following it, and maybe as it comes up, they're taking it, you know. So how are you fishing? You've got the bombarder and the red gill,
Aye.
white red gill, so
Yep.
to speak.
I'm thinking of casting a float out with a strip of mackerel, seal. That's yours.
Yeah. Oh, oh.
He's off again. It's not biting on, eh?
Look.
Well, there's plenty of fish here. It seems to be a trouties here.
A lot of small sea trout. Gorgeous. Oh my.
Right, so I'll maybe try a spinner. Well done.
So that's another sea trout if it wants to stay still. I've got to get them back because they're really, really lively. They're just these small sea trout. Want a big one now, want a big one. They are the most slippery of characters, aren't they?
Aye. Oh, they're full of beans. Oh, I just got in it now.
Did you miss it?
Aye, just here, a scent. You can see them.
So a guy down there, Mr. Tickler, I assume his name is, put me this full handle on this I preferred.
Good gosh, this thing.
Yes, nice son.
Aye.
Rod, that.
So you just haul into steady pace?
Just a steady pace. Yeah.
Okay.
And then sometimes you'll get like a knock.
And then slow down a bit?
And then what I do is I speed up a little bit.
Okay.
Just so that the fish thinks, or
Is
getting
scared,
away,
aye.
getting away. Because you know, a bait fish wouldn't slow down.
No.
It'd be trying to get out of the way. So that's
Yep.
the theory. Yeah, winding about the same pace as you.
Fish on! I wonder if it is. Ooh, he's jumping about a bit. Ooh, didn't it come off? He's near happy. He's near happy. Oh, he's taking off. He's taking off. I think I'll come round to this side. You're not going to believe this. It's a pollock. Oh man. A wee pollock. Right. Gee whiz. Oh, he's away. Well, Phil's been catching sea trout. Was it 2, 3 sea trout?
Two on the boat and 2 or 3 that have come off.
Come off, aye.
That's on something called a Savage Fear line through.
Aye, aye.
A Lyke, I think it's 13 gram lure. Just looking at the sounder, it tells me the water temperature 18.3
Gee whiz.
C. And I'm on, I've got a fish on.
Oh man.
It's going to be fighting like the sea trout. Not in it, yes, it's another sea trout, I think. It's still on. It's still on. Hope you can see. Oh, look at that, and it jumped it.
Ah, jumped out of the water.
Saves me the task of unhooking him. So another sea trout, definitely. Just another small one.
Well done, Phil.
Let's get this one unhooked. What a cracker. Lovely. Let's get it back.
Fish on! Ooh. Might be a bass. It's near trout and oh, it's a pollock again.
Another pollock?
Another pollock.
The pollock
It's
king,
away.
and it's away.
Hey, the pollock king, he's saying. I tried a different lure. Tried this in this time. See if I could get a bass. I was trying to get a wee sea trout, but I've had a few bites, but they're not biting on my line. But Phil, he's in about 20 bass. No, not bass, sea trout. Phil's in about 20 sea trout. And I haven't even had one. Just a few bites. But I've had 2 pollock. And it's a fish. So we'll just keep fishing, see what else we can get. For about, have you?
I've just casted that white band.
Okay.
So it's going to work its way around towards the back of the boat. That's it.
Oh, I thought that might have been a bass again, but
It's put a bend in that rod.
oh, it was heavy. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fairly fighting like a bass.
It was very different to the sea trout. I just think you really
Oh, the sea trout is just little tugs and tugs. They can feel.
But you can't be disappointed with a pollock.
No, I'm happy with any fish. It just shows you that weedless thing works.
Yeah.
It must have bitten the whole lure and a hook had popped up.
Yeah.
Because I covered the hook. That's some cast you get with this road. Really good
It is
cast.
good, isn't it?
Aye.
It is good.
Huh? Oh, fish! Fish on!
The camera running?
Yeah, I don't know, Ken, could you check it? I think it's another pollock. Yeah.
You running?
Okay. Another pollock.
It's a better one though.
Oh no, it's a collie this time. Is that a collie? Oh, it's a collie.
Trout, isn't it?
Aye, it's a collie this time. It's really thin out that hook. Well, I got a collie this time, and he put up some fight. He was actually pulling line out, so it was a good bit of fun. So we'll give him a cast and put him back. Oh, gee. Where you go, Paul? Oh, I've lost him.
Oh! Took me a minute to faff to get your camera on as well.
Aye. Oh,
I
keep-
think you've got something on that float.
they keep biting,
Yeah.
biting it. You think there's something on it?
Well, it had a tug. I mean, maybe it's a small one swimming around under there.
Do, there's nothing on it. They were biting it, like.
Yeah.
Something's biting it. I had my troutie on, and I was keeping it here till the camera fired up.
Yeah, it was already on, and I saw it power off.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have just put the back screen or something just to see if it was on. So it's, yeah, it's got that little red light on when it's on, hasn't it?
Aye. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Ah, lost him.
Again?
See, it just takes him
Yeah.
if you try and
Right.
turn your camera.
You just give it a bit of slack and it's off.
Aye, it's off.
Okay.
Well, again, they're going for this thing.
Well, that's the good news.
Yeah, it's a good news.
Just need to get them hooked up now.
Yep.
And that's that small lure then? Yeah.
Yep.
Right.
I kind of mind for max them. But it was an expensive lure. I think it was about £6 or something, or £8. If my bait is gone under the.
It's a good pull.
It
Good pull down.
was a few times that
Yeah.
so I'll just check. The bait's still here, but I'll see how far going it is. There's no bite marks on it.
No.
There's a few times that it was a bite like.
I wonder if it's worth putting a smaller piece of mackerel on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then if a bass comes along, he'll swallow it, you see.
Love that.
Aye. Hoping we can see the float, my float on the camera. Because the wee trouties seem to be interested in the float.
Well, that's interesting because they were having to go to bombard a float from the Fish Bay, weren't they?
Ah, in Cruden Bay, it's right there. Now, I had a bit of mackerel on the float, a wee strip of mackerel belly, and they were interested in that. And now I've got a wee bit of ragworm. And I've tugged the float down a couple of times, like, but they haven't hooked proper. I think I've hooked about 3 or 4 trout, and I took in right alongside the boat, but I couldn't get the camera on quick enough, so I was holding onto the trout, and Phil was trying to get my camera on, and I lost the troutie alongside. Just small trout, but I would have liked to get it aboard and hold it up for the camera and then let him go again. But he let his sail go. Yeah, it's a butterfly,
It's a long way from home.
I would say.
Like Gordon's into a fish, yeah? What's he got? What's
Oh,
he got?
come
He's got
on,
his sea
come on,
trout.
hey! Yeah, beauty.
I think, yeah, get yourself in there.
Yes! Oh, come on, behave yourself. No, behave. We just hooked on a lip. Oh, oh, good, I've got him.
Got that.
They're feisty things,
They
aren't
will
they?
not stand
No,
still.
no, check this out. I've got to take a right hold on because they didn't sit still. Oh, come on now, give him a kiss and get him back. Right, that's also what to make a shaft. We've enjoyed ourselves in about here today. We've seen sea trout, pollock and a collie. So the sea trout was loping out of the water all around about us, and they were biting on the float. They didn't catch on the float. Had a few good bites and they scoffed my bait. Had a few good takes on the lures, and Phil, he must have had about 30 or 40.
Slightly exact.
Must have been 6, anyway, was it?
I think it was probably about 4 on the boat.
Was it?
Yeah.
You landed 4 anyway. So that was great fishing. So we're going to make a shaft and try for a cod now. So we're going further off, on a bit of hard ground, just on the north side of the Scary Rock. Right, that's something on already. Great stuff. Well, here's hoping it's a wee codling or something. Which is fairly nodding. I think it's a codling. Yeah, well, would you believe it's a mackerel? I can't believe it. It's a mackerel. It's a big one, though. Whew.
You were just saying there's some mackerel on the...
What a size! Oh, gee. That's the biggest mackerel. And I'm not joking. What a size of mackerel.
This is strong, but we'll miss it, eh?
Oh, look at the size of this mackerel. What a beauty. Are you keeping him? Good enough to eat, aren't you?
Keep that one.
Oh, it's a good one.
Okay, underneath your feet.
Okay. What a beauty. Another species. What the buckets here? I'll tell you, it was a fair weight, and it was nodding like it was a cod again.
Lovely size.
Aye.
He's probably about 32, 34.
Aye. That's a big mackerel, like. So last night I was in my shed marking up some lures for coming out to the cod today. And I had this wire boom things. Is it booms you call them? What do you call these things? Yeah, this wire boom things. They've been lying about in the shade for years. So I thought, well, I'll mark up a cod trace with these things. And on here, this is actually the hook that catched a big mackerel. And you'll see a thing on here. Hoping you see it in the camera. Kind of here for a helicopter. This thing, it rattles, spins and rattles. Now I got a whole bag of that things. I don't know if you caught them. Maybe a spinny, rattly thing. But I got a whole bag of things for one of our passengers in the boat. A wifey. And if she's watching this, she'll ken what it is. So I can't mind your name. But thanks very much for that. Right, we'll short away again. And it's really a codling we're wanting to, I know, at this bit. I've seen enough of mackerel out in our boat.
Bonkers like the mackerel it is. But another good sized one.
Is it? Yeah.
Good size. Let's get. Oh no!
You lost him?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It felt a bigger fish.
Yeah.
Still there. It feels a bigger fish, this. This is not a mackerel.
We think Phil's got a fish on. It was on, then it wasn't on. Now it's back on again.
Yeah, he's coupling.
Are we codling?
Yep.
Great stuff. Well done, Phil.
Haddock.
What's a haddock?
Haddock.
That's a haddock. That's a beauty.
Beauty. Do you want a haddock?
No, I'm fine. I get heaps of them on a oarboat. No, I've a fish on now, no? I've got a fish on now. So,
Yeah, a haddock. Another species called.
so I'm assuming this will be a haddock, you know? It's a really bendy road, this. Ah, it's a haddock, you know. Yay! Yep, another species. Oh. Bonnie wee haddock. Put them back. Where you go, Paul?
Got another haddock.
Oh, this is a life, Phil. A life in the ocean wave.
These boats look as if they either took a shortcut this side of the Skerry
Oh,
or
yeah,
they come out
see.
Boddam. Are they just off to Peterhead
No,
Market then?
it's a Peterhead boat.
Peterhead.
See, there's no point in going round the Skerry Rock if you're going south.
Right.
Just head on the inside of it again.
Okay.
Well, that was a near disaster this morning with my car. Imagine it packed everything in a car. And only thing I kept out was a camera.
Yeah.
And then I shut the boot. Found out the car was locked and my keys was in the boot. Of course I hadn't got no spare key, because that was lost a few years back and we've never found it. But Susan got phoned up this lad, a locksmith lad, and he came out within an hour and did his jiggery pokery, opened the door no bother. So that saved the day. Helicopter going over again. So my hat's off to that lad for saving my day, because I wouldn't have gotten fish in a day because everything was in the car. And I'm also going out in the Orion boat tomorrow morning. So I got a wee ticket for the boy. So you can how I say fit Lyke. Well, this is fit lock. Fit lock locksmiths. I hope you can see that in the camera here. So that's a wee advertisement for the boy, because he saved the day and we got out fishing. So thanks very much, Fit Lock, Fit Lyke, Fit Lock. Fish on! But I think it's a mackerel. Another mackerel. Seeing you and jumping about and swimming all over the place. Yeah. See, and look at that already. Look at the tangle he's made already. Yeah, bad for that thing. Well, mackerel. I'm back. There you go.
So we've both lost a bit of gear, but that's the nature of it. We're on some nice rough ground. Look at that mark on there. Look at that line.
Oh, it's mackerel.
Mackerel.
Oh no.
Mackerel about 15 metres.
Well, they want them.
What we want. We have to some codling.
We're working strips of mackerel and strips of squid today. We've also got prawns and chunks of mackerel. I did hear some ragworm earlier on, but they'd seen better days. But man, you the trout was going for him.
The trout was going for him. Yeah. You threw a few out as free offerings and they were going mad for it on the surface. Aye. Looks like the sailing school coming out, isn't it?
Oh, I see that. The sea cadets.
Yeah. Sea boats and
There's a heap of them.
one,
Is it a small boat they towing them?
looks like about 8 boats. 8
Yeah.
dinghies, sailing dinghies, yeah.
Looks like he's towing them.
He's towing them, yeah.
Nick reels up this way, no?
No.
Ah, this is a life, eh, Phil?
It certainly is. You made yourself at home there. You quite
Feet
like
up.
real time, don't you?
Oh, it's a great boat, this. Right. I wish I could retire and just get a boatie like this. I like the idea that you can just get anywhere in the country East Coast, West Coast, or for the working. And just pop it in.
Yeah. Well, you saw how easy it was to launch it this morning with a new trailer. That's a lot easier.
Aye, aye.
And the trailer wheels are no wider than the car, so it's very easy to drive. You don't know it's there on the dual carriageway. You really don't.
Aye.
Anybody who watches my channel will know that I'm a right fan of these little boats.
Aye, definitely.
Like,
I'm getting knocks in it. I think it's maybe
on the bottom.
the ground.
It's very up and down there.
Aye. Oh, it's shoaling again.
Yeah.
There is mark of fish too. Did you a wee mark here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a red bear.
Will this be the sea cadets again? Two of them coming in.
Not sure.
Some people just go out and motor about in their ribs, don't they?
So I got a knock here just now again. It could be the bottom again. Oh, he's getting shot all the time.
Yeah.
It's 24 metres now. It started off at 28. And then 25, 24.
Just coming right up, isn't it?
Aye.
I think we've got a fish on here. Yeah, another.
Another haddock.
Oh, he's dropped off.
Gee. See the sea cadets out here with our wee yachties. A fine day for them.
Oh, another mackerel.
Oh, gee.
I thought it was going to be a better fish.
Yeah. I don't know again if you can hear me for the outboard engine or if the microphone's cancelling out a bit, but that's us heading in now. It's a little much sure with enough water to get the boat onto the slip and onto Phil's trailer. It's been a great day's fishing. In good company. Ridiculous, you got a clip. Yep. Please, yeah, get me out there. Watch us buck in the harbour safely, despite the nearly fanning up to the move of the harbour. Thanks to Phil's quick reactions, saved the day. Okay. Spot on.
Good one.
Yeah. This fell been cleaning a slip, but it looks at Phil's trailer. Right, that's us ashore again, and the trailer safely on the car, and the boat safely on the trailer, and Phil's packing up all his stuff and that, Dino his bitties and pieces for travelling on the road. And that's it for now. So mind watch out for more videos and take care of the, and I'll catch you after.
See ya.